day was, you see, that the war was over 8th of May for us there. And about 2 weeks, 3 weeks before, we heard terrible bombing. You know, we thought, now, we're not going to survive this, because it was just unbelievable. And 2 weeks before, the May 8th, 1944, 45, all of a sudden nobody woke us up in the morning, but the gate was closed. And the English people was telling in German that they left, all the Germans left from the next building, and they don't know how to open us up.
These were then the German soldiers?
You see, the English prisoners, they had soldiers watching them, but they wasn't, you know, they had good clothes on, and you could see they was fed, they was smoking, you know, they wasn't prisoners like us, and they didn't know who we was.
I see.
They just did not understand who we were, you know, and they wanted to help us, but they didn't know how. So when they was working very early in the morning, and if they was working with food, they throw us some food. Before we went into the factory, we had to put everything in a big garbage pail, and it was no use. So we didn't even pick it up anymore, because we didn't know we were going to get punished for it or not. So then the German left us inside there. So then the English prisoners, somehow, I don't know, a week, because we had no food for a week, we went all over the building, we couldn't find nothing, and everybody was terribly hungry, you know, after that. So they opened the gate for us, the electricity somehow, and they told us, they bought us some white sheets to put it on the buildings and all over the windows, because he said, you're going to be killed from the... So it was so unbearable, the bombing, that they helped us. The Germans used to have little gardens, you know, little piece of property, and they went out from home, and, you know, they had a piece of land, and they grow their vegetables there, who lived in apartments. They renting this. So we went out there. But a lot of girls, they went into houses, and they got foods, and fatty foods, and about 100 of them died in 2 days because of the things. And our lady who was with us, he said, no, we're not going to eat nothing, only bread. So she got hold of some bakery bread, and that's what because we kept together, these 20 people.
You were just in the fields then at this time?
Yes, out in there, because they completely bombed the whole thing. It was leveled. So then we didn't know what to do. We didn't know where we was.
For a week you were in this labor camp.
Yeah, that wasn't
the
a
Germans,
labor.
In the factory.
Yes. And then we went out to this garden. You know, they had little shacks where they keep the tools, you know. And then all of a sudden everything stopped. And the Russians was coming from everywhere. Now we didn't know who was worse, the Russians or the Germans. They was like animals. So we was hiding from the Russians.